Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel. So welcome to the latest video. So in this video we discuss artificial intelligence in healthcare revolutionized medicines. Okay, so let's get started. Artificial intelligence is indeed revolutionizing medicine and healthcare in various ways, offer the potential to enhance patient care, streamline operations, and improve overall outcomes. Here are some key ways in which AI is transforming and healthcare industry. So, diagnostic and disease detections. Now, AI algorithms can analyze medical image such as X-ray, CT scan, and MRLS with high sensory to assist in the early detection of diseases like cancer, fractures, and neurological disorders. Let's get next point. Machine learning models can review pathology slide and identify abnormalities, potentially reducing errors in diagnosis. Okay, next is personalized treatment plan. AI can process large volume of patient data including genetic information, medical history, and treatment responding in to help develop personalized treatment plan. The next is treatment recommendation can be optimized based on the patient's unique characteristics, leading to more effective therapies and reducing side effects. Okay, drug discovery and development. AI accelerates the drug discovery process by analyzing vast database to identify potential drug candidates, predict their efficiency, and optimize chemical structure. It can also assess in repurposing existing drug for new user, reducing development timelines and costs. So the next is predictive analysis and early interpretation. Machine learning models can predict patient deterioration by analyzing vital signs and electronic health record, enabling early interpretation and improved patient outcomes. Okay, the next is hospitals and health culture providers can optimize resourcing allocation based on predictive analysis, redundancy, wait time, and improve efficiency. Okay, the next is Virtual health assistant. Chatbot and virtual health assistant powered by AI can provide 24/7 hours support to patient, answering questions, scheduling appointment, and even mention serious conditions remotely. Okay, the next is these tools enhance patient engagement and reduce the burden on healthcare providers. So the next is administer efficiency. AI driven tools can streamline administer tasks such as billing and coding appointments, Scotland and insurance claims processing, reducing administrative overhead. Okay, the next is research and data analysis. AI enables resourcing to analyze vast healthcare database to uncover patterns, trends, and potential breakthroughs. It can facilitate the integration of data from various sources, including elements, health, resourcing, wearable, and genome and genomics for comprehensive analysis. Okay, the next is robotic surgery and assistances. AI powered surgical robot can assist surgeons with precision and stability during complex procedure, reducing human error and enhancing surgical outcomes. Surgical can perform minimally invasive surgery with gathered controlled and accuracy and population health management. AI tools can assess population health trends identified to risk group and recommend publish health interview to prevent disease outbreaks. Okay, the next is ethical consideration and data privacy. As AI become more integrated into healthcare, ethical consideration regarding patient data privacy, transparency, and accountability become paramount. Regulation and standards are evolving to address these concerns. Okay guys, that's today's video. While AI has the potential to revolution medicine and healthcare, it is essential to address regularly ethical and security challenges to ensure that these innovation benefits patients and healthcare providers while maintain patient privacy and safety. The continued collaborations between healthcare professionals, AI developers, and regularly bodies is critical in harnessing the full potential of AI in healthcare. So guys, that's the today's video. So keep watching my videos, like this video, press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, bye bye.